Hi, this is Mayor Maureen Brosnan, and we've talked before about how hard Livonia has been hit by the COVID-19 virus and how quickly we've jumped into action to take care of some of our most vulnerable members of our community, our senior citizens. And today, we're launching the next phase of our Together Livonia Cares program to try and take care of those seniors who are living in our Livonia Senior Living Centers, places like McNamara Towers and Newburgh Village and Silver Village. Today are going to be where we launch this next phase. So we're going into each one of these facilities and offering not only testing for the COVID-19 virus, but we're offering training materials and educational materials along with PPE. So today, inside McNamara Towers, are members of our fire department who are administering tests and will administer tests to probably close to 1,000 people by the time we're done with this program. And this is exciting. And it's exciting on a number of fronts. One is that we know that if we can track where this disease is at, that we're going to be better able to manage it. So this is a big part of how we're going to be able to manage it until there's a vaccine in place. As we're going through each one of these facilities, all residents are entitled to the tests. They take them voluntarily, and their insurance, for the most part, covers the cost of the testing. In the event that there is not insurance to cover the costs, the city is going to pick up those costs. We're able to do this because we got our first round of CARES funding. This is the Federal Emergency Relief Act that's providing funding to municipalities like Livonia in order to cover the cost of handling some of the supplies that are necessary for us to help mitigate the damage of COVID-19. So today begins that next phase of care for our Livonia seniors, and we are very proud to be bringing it to them. Leading this effort is our Fire Chief, Dave Hebner, and I'm going to turn it over to him now to tell you a little bit more about what's entailed with the testing.
I'm Dave Hebner, Fire Chief, Livonia Fire Department. Today we have partnered with the Livonia Housing Commission to provide COVID testing for independent senior living residents here in Livonia. Our goal is to identify, isolate, and help educate residents in regards to the response and care during this virus. How the test works is it is a nasal swab that goes to the back of a person's nose. We collect a swab in each nostril. We send that testing off to a testing site, and within 24 hours, we will have the results of whether or not one of the residents is positive for COVID. This test is provided in a very private setting at an individual apartment location at these residents. The main idea behind our testing procedures is to help educate residents on proper use of personal protective equipment. We'll be providing them hand sanitizer, some face masks, and literature in terms of how to properly wash their hands, properly social distance, properly wear masks and gloves, and other items to help keep them safe.
Hi, my name is Mark Tarming, and I'm the Planning and Economic Development Director with the City of Livonia. We're filming from the Livonia Recreation Center, where the city has set up a logistics hub to manage the supplies that are going out to our long-term care facilities. As many people know, Livonia is unique in that it has many of these types of facilities. This includes skilled nursing centers, assisted living facilities, independent apartments, as well as adult foster care homes. And it was early in the emergency that we realized that many of these facilities were short of supplies. So in response to that, the mayor instituted the Together Livonia Cares program. And I, along with Chief David Hebner, serve as the co-directors of this program. And it's really designed to address the needs of long-term care facilities. It's here where we accept supplies including masks, gowns, face shields, sanitizer, and we deliver these items to our long-term care facilities based on their request. We've received donations from a number of companies: Ford Motor Company, Alpha USA, ZFTRW, Meritor, Arbor Brewing Company, and others. Greatly appreciate the donations that have been provided to the city at this point. We are asking businesses and residents if they can donate supplies to this effort. We greatly appreciate it.
Once again, Livonia has put itself on the front lines, bringing our residents a program not found in other communities. And we are exceptionally glad that we're able to do this, to take care of one of our most vulnerable populations, seniors living next to other seniors. So we are confident that by bringing this testing to Livonia seniors today, that we're going to help mitigate the damage of COVID-19 tomorrow, while we all anxiously await a vaccine. So in the meantime, make sure you're washing your hands, you're wearing your masks, you're keeping those social distances, and together, Livonia, we're going to get through this.